Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to create bulk stories for Facebook and bulk shorts for your YouTube channel. For this, we will use bulk feature of Canva and Excel sheet in which I already have some data for my shorts or stories. In my previous video, I explained it with the help of ChatGPT, Canva, and Canva's bulk feature. But right now in this video, I will explain with the help of some data which I already have in Excel sheet and with the bulk feature of Canva. If you are new to Canva, I have some videos. I will give the link in the description so you can check out the playlist to learn more about Canva. Let's begin today's video as we are creating YouTube shorts or Facebook stories. So we are going to select mobile video format and I prefer to use the blank one, and here I'm going to set my data. How will I do that? First of all, search some your topic related videos for the background of your shorts or stories. In the element section, I just write computer science, and here are the options. There are so many templates, I can use any ones. Let's say I'm selecting this one. Okay, now I'm going to add text over here. How would I do that? I am going to click on the text, click on the heading. This would be for my question. Okay, and if I duplicate it, I will be having one more over here for the answer of this question. Here I want one more just to add some other text, and I want to make it a call to action. So I'm going to make it as a button. I select from I select from the elements and I would place it over here, and here I will write this text. Now I'm going to add the text for question and answer. How will I do? Go to the Excel sheet, or if you are using Google Sheet, open that. Suppose this one is my question. I copy it from here and I paste it here. You can see that this is not much visible. So what will I do? I will go to the text effects and select this one, background. I can change the color also. I will use this button. I can change color from here. I use the colors which I already use for my brand. And this one, let's say I will select this. I also need to upload the logo. This is the logo, position, top and right side. Mm, again, set it over here. paste the answer here, and you can change the size also because it is very large, and I'm going to make it like this, right? Now let's play it. You can position it with the help of this position button and make it center. It's already, and see, I'm just positioning it center. If you want, you can add the music. Go to audio. I want to add some light music. Let's say I add this. Okay, and its volume, I will be changing it to this one. Let's play, and you can increase the volume. Now let's start the bulk post. This is one. I want 18. How will I do? I will go to the apps here, find out bulk. Here it is. Just click over here, enter data manually. Click over here. I can add the data from here. The other option is to upload CSV, but I will go for it. Enter data manually. I will go back to the sheet and copy all data and move back here. Select the first and paste over here. Let's give it a name. Question, answer. Now press done. This is my question. So I will click over here, press the right button. There is connect data option. Click over here, and I want to connect data question over here. Okay. And in this, I want to add, and here I will connect the data answer. Now what I will do, if it is correct, it will show this little tick sign that you have connected correctly. Now move to the next option, continue. If you want to add or delete something, you can do over here. Generate 17 designs. Click over here, and in the next window it created your all bulk data. You can see. Let's play it. Okay, here you can see it is a little bit over this element. We have to make some changes. Go back and make changes accordingly. If you want to change the videos which are playing in the background, you may change over here. Select it. If you want to change the background video, you can do this. How can you do that? Go to the elements, write the topic on which you want a video. For example, I need tech videos, so I am writing technology. Now click on the video section. Here are so many videos that you can use for your shorts and stories. If you want, you can use the vertical, so you will be getting all the videos which are in the vertical. in the vertical format. Just click on the video and move it to your slide. Just click the video, just select any of the video and drag it to the slide like this. I'm I'm using this, dragging it to the slide. I use this, and now it is the background of the slide, this particular slide. You must have observed one thing, that this vertical video is of 28 seconds. So this slide is also of 28 seconds now. You can trim it by using this. I am making it of 10 seconds maximum. Now let's play and check. Similarly, you can change the videos in any of other, like let's say I'm going to change the video here. I select this slide. Now I'm going to select a video from here which I like most. Just drag and drop, and here you go. The next, drag one more. Let's say have this one. Now we are having this in the background. I hope you like the video and it has added some value in your knowledge. So give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icons to get the notification timely. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.